Greetings from Kamal Sharma to all the students studying in different government and private educational institutes, the aspirants preparing for various competitive examinations, learned teachers, and parents. As you all know, we have been undergoing COVID-19 pandemic for several months. It has affected almost every area of our lives. People say there is always an opportunity in a disaster. I have decided to encash an opportunity in the disaster of this deadly virus. I am going to record audio lectures for all sort of students studying in schools, colleges and coaching institutes. Now the question is, why audio lectures only? In fact, I am a visually challenged person and I have 28 years of experience of teaching using lecture method and dictation method, and I have successfully taught a large number of students preparing for academic and competitive examinations. For the convenience of the students residing in rural areas, I am going to record these audio lectures using Hindi as medium of instructions. I hope these audio lectures will be advantageous for all sort of students. I will try my best to perform to the best of my ability, and also I will try to make these audio lectures available on different social and digital platforms like YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. Very soon you will be getting an audio lecture every day on different platforms. I not only hope but also believe that I will be able to do my job with great dedication and sincerity and consistency also. Thank you.